Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy penny shopping Tuesday, everybody. Today is going to be a great day because we do have some surprise penny items. So first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so jumping right in, I do want to go ahead and warn everybody that I have not included all of the penny items that we have already went over in previous videos. I can tell you that I have confirmed that the items that we went over in the original new clearance markdown and penny list video, we had 2 items in that video, those have pennied out. Now, yesterday I uploaded a video with a huge penny list update with over 80 items on that list. We've got the visuals, the pictures, the UPC codes. We even talk about coupons. So if you missed that video, make sure that you go and check it out. Now, I have been up all morning checking UPC codes, and I can tell you that these have pennied out at more stores than I thought they were going to. However, just to be on the safe side, make sure that you go and check out that video. Get the UPC codes for yourself and type those into your app before you start running around to all of your local Dollar General stores. Because like I said in that video, I recently had 2 stores remodel near me, and I know that neither one of those stores have any of that stuff left. So you can definitely score big time today with that list. Just go back and check out that video because I give you guys a lot of little tips and tricks and pointers and things to keep in mind. So if you haven't watched either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, I also want to remind everybody that we do have a huge Dollar General clearance event happening this weekend, and I have already started to drop those videos, and I will have out another one today. Possibly 2 if I can fit it in. So make sure that y'all stay tuned, turn on your notifications, and make sure that you check out these videos all week long. Alright, now before we get into our surprise pennies, I do want to remind everybody that the #1 rule to penny shopping is that we do not ask employees about penny items. All you have to do is go into your local Dollar General stores, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find them, scan them with your Dollar General app. Make sure that you have your correct store location set. And if that item scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Alright, so first up we have the Propel Electrolyte Enhanced Water Berry Flavored. This is the 16.9 fluid ounce bottles. The UPC code is on the bottom of your screen there. We also have the Propel Electrolyte Enhanced Water Grape Flavored. This is also a 16.9 fluid ounce bottle. UPC's on your screen. And then we also have the Propel Electrolyte Enhanced Water Kiwi Strawberry Flavored. Again, a 16.9 ounce single bottle. And the UPC code is on your screen. Alright, next up we have the Propel Zero Calorie Kiwi Strawberry Flavored Water. This is the 6-pack. And again, the UPC code is on your screen. Alright, next up we have the Clover Valley 100% Colombian Ground Coffee 12-ounce bags. We also have the Clover Valley French Vanilla Cappuccino Drink Mix. This is the 24-count pods, and again, UPC codes are on your screen. Keep in mind that the managers and employees do not know about these penny items. Alright, next up we have the Lance Limo Lunch Cookies. These are a 6-pack, and then we also have the Lance Vanilla Lunch Cookies, also a 6-pack, and again, the UPC codes are on your screen. Hopefully these items are going to be easier to find since the managers and the employees do not know about them. So these did not come out on a memo or anything like that. Alright guys, now on these last 3 penny items, I'm just going to say that I have a gut feeling that these had pennied out in the past couple of months, but I can't confirm that. Now, what I should have done was went through all of the list yesterday to make sure that these hadn't already pennied out. However, like I said before, your girl is working on the clearance event non-stop right now. So, I worked on the clearance event the majority of the day. I put out that huge penny list. So, I literally just ran out of time. But I am working on getting everything really organized. That way, I can bring you all more information in a timely manner. Hopefully that will just be better all the way around. So please just bear with me for the next few weeks as I try to get everything organized. And please don't come for me too bad down in the comment section. So these 3 items were on my list and they did show up as a penny. Typically when I find penny items on my homemade list, I just mark those items out. That way I know that they have already pennied out. But these were not marked out. So here we have the Kellogg's Keebler Snacks Variety Pack. This is a 4-count. UPC code is on your screen, and this is in fact a penny. Next up, we have the Boost. I think these are like little energy drinks. So we have the XP Boost Rainbow Candy Drink, and then we also have the XP Boost Sour Lime Drink, and these are both 6-ounce cans. So again, these last 3 pennies might be surprise pennies for today, or they might just be some older penny items that I forgot to mark off of the list. Again, I promise you all I am getting organized, so bear with me on that. Now, y'all make sure that you stay tuned because I do have a few more lists that I need to go over, so stay tuned. If I find any more, I will be posting those in the community tab. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Good luck penny shopping out there, and I will see you on the next one.